In the heart of Mumbai, India, stands a masterpiece of architecture, history, and engineering. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, or CSMT, once known as Victoria Terminus. This iconic railway station is not just a hub of thousands of daily commuters, but also a symbol of India's colonial past and its rich heritage. Construction of CSMT began in 1878 under the British colonial rule to accommodate the increasing rail traffic and to honor Queen Victoria's Golden Jubilee. Designed by the British architect Frederick William Stevens, the station was envisioned as a symbol of British dominance in India, but over the time it became much more than that. The design was heavily inspired by Victorian Gothic and traditional Indian architectural styles, blending the grandeur of British imperial architecture with local elements. CSMT's architecture is a striking blend of the Gothic revival style with pointed arcs, ribbed walls, and intricate detailing. The station's most notable feature is its grand dome, which rises above the station's facade, symbolizing the central role that railways played in connecting India's vast expanse. Despite its colonial origins, CSMT incorporates Indian elements like the traditional Jaroka windows, adding a distinctive Indian flair to the otherwise Western design. The lion statues at the entrance are reminders of both India's regal history and the station's colonial past. Over the years, CSMT has witnessed several significant changes. In 1996, the station was renamed in honor of the greatest Maratha warrior king, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, as a tribute to his leadership and legacy in the fight against colonialism. Today, CSMT stands not just as a bustling railway station, but as a symbol of India's transition from colonial rule to independence and the resilience of its people. As one of India's busiest railway stations, CSMT serves as the lifeline of Mumbai's local and long-distance train networks. Every day, over 1 million people pass through its grand halls, making it one of the most significant transportation hubs in the country. The station connects millions of commuters to Mumbai's suburban railway network, making it an essential part of the city's daily rhythm. In 2004, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its outstanding architectural significance and its contribution to India's colonial and post-colonial history. Despite the rapid modernization of Mumbai, CSMT continues to hold its place as a proud symbol of the city's colonial past and its vibrant present. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus stands as a monumental testament to India's journey through history and architectural wonder, a transportation hub, and a symbol of resilience, transformation, and heritage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from India's heart.